Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fetch model data without using tag helpers like the ones we have in core. This HTML dot display for uh, without using that, how we can fetch that data. Okay, so let me just make it little big fonts. Alright, so I have a home controller where in index it will be the landing page, and then we will go to details, and details will direct us to dashboard, and then dashboard has its coordinate, and it's going to show me the details of that user. Okay, so let's go ahead and run and see what happens. So in this example, we are going to use the view and return redirect to action and see the difference. And normally what happens is this dashboard, it doesn't have any code inline within the method. It doesn't have any code, so any method that is passed on to it, it will forward that value to its view. Okay, so we have pressed the details. Now here it's going to give me the details of TBL user info, where ID is 1, and now it's redirecting to dashboard. Dashboard is doing no processing in the method. It just went to the HTML part, and there it's trying to look up for whatever came in the model. Oh yes, our model received some value. Okay, perfect. If it has received some value, then it's going to display that. Hmm. What happened now? Okay, here we go. Alright, so you see the username is here. The full name, it says welcome, this one. And what I'm doing here, I'm not using any tag helpers. It's just the HTML tags, and I'm using the model. Okay, you see this? Okay, now we will do it a little bit different. Uh, so let's do the redirect to action thing and see what happens. Again, dashboard, sorry, details page. Details will take us to dashboard. We are passing the model. See, the model is null now. Why? We did a redirect to action. We passed the model, but why is it null? When it comes to dashboard, it's trying to figure out what's there in the model. We did pass this one, right? But when it came to this action result, it's trying to process the action result, and there is nothing in this action result that's returning a model value. That's why the model is blank. And if we continue, we get an error, and if we still continue, it says object reference not set to an instance. Got it? So this is why your model will not have any value. Okay. All right. Let's just do it only for dashboard. If we're doing it only for the dashboard, it's going to give us the same error because there is nothing in the dashboard. Same error. There is nothing. Okay, now if we are going to look up for something in the details, I will just do a return view without any value. So this is going to take me to the details thing. I don't have to. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, it still has to return a value because there is a model in the details. There is a model. Hello generated code. So this code is generated and it has all the tag helpers in it. Display for, but as we did not receive anything in the model, it's showing us blank. Okay, so if I could sense this model data in the view, it should give me some value. If I go back to the home, I come back from there again. No. Okay, so I could have to stop it and run it again. This one is going to give us the details page, not the dashboard. Hello generated code, and the details came up because the model has some value in it, right? And these are all the tag helpers. We are using all the tag helpers in this case in details page. And if I'm going to the dashboard, we know that there is nothing in the dashboard, so it's going to give me a null error. And I know the model doesn't have anything, so I will have an error. But if I fill that with a model value, then I'm going to get that value, right? So if I'm no, redirect to action will still give me an error. Okay, I can directly call the dashboard's view along with the model. See this. I'm not calling the details view, but I'm calling the dashboard's view along with a model value. Now you see the difference. I'm going to details, it's going to call the dashboard. See, the dashboard is called, and now model has some value. It's not going to throw me an error, it's going to take me to the dashboard. So even though it mentions details here, it still loaded the dashboard page along with some value. And these are all user typed value fetched from the model, not generated code. Okay guys, so that was all to show you how a model has value and a model loses value, and what's the use of return, redirect to action, and return view. Okay, thank you for watching guys, have a good day.